What's going on YouTube? Welcome back to the channel. This is Rusty with Rusty's Pressure Washing Hustle House TV. We are going to be doing 3 jobs today, so this is going to be like a recap video just showing you how this Monday is gonna go, but stay tuned for some action. If you're new to the channel, this is job recap style channel. We do a little bit of tutorials on simpler jobs. We go over how our day went. Sometimes we break down the profit so you guys can kind of get an idea of this business. But anyway, enjoy the video. Alright, we just finished up that roof job. Pretty basic job, nothing crazy, no crazy obstacles or anything like that. Chris is at job number 3, getting it prepped up. He's cleaning the front and backyard. I ran to the supplier, grabbed some sealant. I'll be headed back and then we'll be showing you some action of the job, getting it cleaned and getting it sealed. Chris just finished cleaning up the front yard and the backyard for the seal job that we're gonna do. He finished before I even got here, so I didn't get a chance to film any of the action. But anyways, we're going to seal it up, so make sure to stay tuned. We'll show you this before and after of what a sealed driveway looks like compared to non-sealed, and you will see the transformation right before your eyes. That is a wrap on today's video and this third and final job. We are gonna go eat some food, get home, enjoy some AC. I hope you guys are enjoying these videos. If you are, please like, subscribe, and comment in the comment section your favorite thing that we do, your favorite before and after style video. Let me know what you guys are liking most. What's your favorite part about this job, man?
Working in this freaking heat.
That's what you love most?
I'd have to say so.
What's in the lip?
Florida mud, boy.